one of these objects has a visual component and a position component. Well, for a resource system, we use a HTTP server. The client downloads all resources multi-threaded, so there's no blocking. This means we don't need to patch the client. So to extend the functionality of the client without recompiling, users can add scripts to their objects. The scripting is based on events. So, for example, if the object hits another object, the sound is played, or if the user hits an object, it changes the color. The scripting language we will use for this is Lua, because it's a popular scripting language, and it's used in a lot of games already. To render all these servers and the landscape, we need a scalable landscape rendering engine. So we do this by giving every server a page. So every server has a terrain, and if you connect to 25 servers at once and you render all the terrain, it's going to be very slow. So to still make it work, we decrease the detail of distant servers, and servers that are closer have a higher detail, so it still works. Or here you can see a screenshot of a server grid of 3 by 3 servers. In the middle you see the home server, and around this are the neighbor servers. So the client is totally powered by open source software. Ogre as the render engine, RACnet as the networking engine, Boost as a support library, Bullet for physics, MyGUI for the GUI, and Lua for scripting.
This day, I'm not sure, do we have time left? Okay, then we can do a demonstration of a 3x3 grid right now. Later this day at 1400 in the bike shed green, there's a workshop, which we have plenty of time for questions, discussion, brainstorming, and also perhaps a detailed demonstration. Okay, let's do some demonstration right now. Okay, what resolution I'm running in? So this is the client. Okay. Well, I just start a grid first because we have not a decent internet connection at the moment. Well, this is basically the server with LightPD for resources and some tools to start a testing grid of 3x3. Starting that right now. We can see the trusted protocol working, finding each other. They will spam some information. Let's just watch them finding each other. Takes a while. Also generating the map, calculating some stuff. Almost find each other. At the workshop we also can show what happens when a server drops while being in game. It's pretty hard to do that right now. Okay, so now the servers are finding each other. Okay, now we can connect. It takes a while again because it connects to all the servers right now. It have to download the map and load it into the memory. So the client is now connected to a 3x3 grid. Let's see if I can find one higher spot so we can look over the world. Okay, I can see one other server. Yeah, there. The one, the mountains at the back of the horizon. That's one other server. Let's see. Also, the weather system is also live. Let's see where the sun is. It's about the the sun is where the sun is right now in the real world. But where is it? I think. There it is. I can speed it up a bit. So now we are going ahead of time. Sun outside isn't doing that. It isn't really connected. So we have also the star system is like it is in the real world. Well, while we are watching, well, not a lot to see. There's more to see on my screen. But are there any questions?
What license did you publish the software? Is it GPL?
GPL, yes.
GPL, okay.
All the libraries are also open source, also GPL version 2 or 3, yeah. Our license is 3, yes.
Okay. Is there a Linux version or is it Windows only?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Is there a Linux version or is it Windows only?
That's what I forgot to ask. We are in the need of developers, also someone who knows about porting the system to other platforms. Also the client, the server needs to be in the FreeBSD port system, for example, and loads of other package systems. At the moment, the test version, the proof of concept is running on Windows, and we need people to port it to Linux, FreeBSD, perhaps macOS even. The libraries and the source code are portable, so I think it's for someone, it can be really easy, but we don't have all the knowledge.
Hi. What about importing and exporting objects from other worlds, from Blender or from even No Life, Second Life?
Yeah. At the moment, we have our own system, which is based on XML. So you can describe your object, link some textures to it, and yeah, for example, the boxes. I think they will go flying. Okay, the boxes are also described in that way. So an object consists of a Gabriel XML, texture, mesh, and a few other perhaps a sound.
Depends on what you add to it.
Yeah.
But you can export models from Blender to the game engine.